postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. 23. del, part 23.
Kako se pretvarjaš, dokler ti res ne uspe?
Here's the problem. You move to Slovenia, you start building a life here, but you don't speak the language. It takes years to learn, sometimes decades, sometimes an eternity. But you don't want to sit at home alone all day learning about conjugations. You want to go out and experience the country and the people. Now, luckily, many Slovenes speak English, so you can talk to many of them. Each one will ask you why you came to Slovenia, so get ready to repeat your story many, many times. But if you're the only foreigner in a group of Slovenes, the language will very quickly and naturally shift to Slovene. And then you'll feel left out, forgotten, ignored, sitting at the edge of the group, feeling like a tujec. But don't despair. I'm here to help. Here to help you integrate instantly and effortlessly with just one sentence. In fact, with this one magic sentence, you can hold a conversation all night long in Slovene. That sentence is this.
Pa saj ne moreš verjet.
In essence, it means unbelievable, but packs a much better punch. Listen again and repeat.
Pa saj ne moreš verjet.
Now, technically, it should be verjeti, not verjet, but you'll never hear anyone say it right anyway. The great thing about this sentence is that it works if you're a female or a male or anything else, so you don't have to worry about gender. And you don't have to worry if you don't understand a single word of Slovene. Just wait for pauses in the conversation and keep saying it. You'll fit right in. Let's see what happens.
Potem je direktor pokradel vse, kar je bilo namenjeno za pomoč tistim, ki so ostali brez službe.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
Ampak to ni še nič. V moji vasi, kjer sem jaz doma, je župan kradel denar za obnovo cest in pa del denarja za obnovo vrtca.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
In njegova žena, ki dela na upravni enoti, je tisti denar, ki je bil namenjen gradnji novega doma za starejše, porabila za velik bazen na vikendu.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
Pa to ne moreš.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
Michael, vidim, da dobro razumeš, kakšna je politična in gospodarska situacija v Sloveniji in kako je z našo državo.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
Ja, točno tako. Res ne moreš verjeti. Zanimivo mi je tudi, da si tujec, pa vseeno razumeš vse.
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
Počakaj malo. Michael, pa ti sploh razumeš slovensko?
Pa saj ne moreš verjeti.
See? Pretty much perfect. Okay, maybe off here and there. But otherwise, you can participate in a conversation and feel like you're part of the group. But now you might be wondering, Michael, what happens if I'm in a group of Slovenes who are drinking but not complaining about the government or businesses or neighbors or each other? And my answer is, don't worry, that never happens. Ne moreš verjeti, but it's true.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.